Hey everyone, I have a little repair job to do and I thought I'd hop on and show you. If you have a pair of elastic pants with a drawstring, sometimes one end of the drawstring will pull out so that it's really long and the other end gets lost in this elastic casing. So if I feel for it with my thumb, okay, don't feel it and still don't feel it, and then right about there is the end of the drawstring. So it has to be pulled through all this way, and I'll show you one way that you can do that. If you don't sew, you may not have seen this tool before, but it's called a loop turner, and it's used when you have a narrow tube of fabric that you need to flip inside out. For example, if you sew a spaghetti strap or a purse strap. This one is made by Dritz, and I've had it for so many years. It was under $5, and you can probably find it at a local sewing supply store. If not, they do sell them online. I know that I just saw that Hobby Lobby has it for $1.99. But it's a very rigid tool, and it has a tiny hook at the end that can grab the drawstring. Okay, I've turned the pants around so you could get a better look. There is the opening, and here is the hook tip that we're going to put right through there. And let's see. Now right there is where our drawstring is. So we'll put that through there until we reach the drawstring. And I've got it. Okay. And you may have to pull it a little bit until it comes through. And as you pull it through the hole, this part gets scrunched up. So as you pull it through, you'll want to kind of move this along. And you'll want to just kind of move the excess material to straighten it out. And there you have it. Once the drawstring is pulled through a little bit, all this material is going to be bunched up together. So while holding on to the drawstring so that it doesn't sneak back in there again, you can smooth out the waistband so that it spreads out evenly. It's a little bit tight, but each time you pull the cord through a little bit more, hold on to it and then keep smoothing out the bunched up fabric until both sides of the drawstring are even. And that's it, the loop turner did the trick. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please like, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.